Today, we've got an in-depth look at the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and we'll be diving into some concerning issues that users have been facing. But before we get into the problems, let's talk about the impressive screen technology that the S24 Ultra brings to the table. Display improvements. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts an upgraded screen featuring a new coating from Corning. Crafted with highly efficient materials, it delivers better color accuracy and a remarkable peak brightness of 2600 nits. Samsung's reputation for top-notch phone screens continues with the S24 Ultra outshining even competitive displays like Bose X1 panel. Color issues. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows for the S24 Ultra. Numerous users are expressing disappointment as they notice faded and less vivid colors on their screens. Some have even likened the display quality to that of an old LCD display. Reports on the Samsung Community Forum highlight this concern, with users opting to stick to their older S23 series phones instead. Some users speculate that the issue may be rooted in hardware faults during manufacturing, advocating for replacements. Even tweaking display settings to vibrant mode or adjusting brightness manually hasn't proven to be a reliable fix. It appears that a software bug may be at play, preventing the S24 models from accurately switching to vibrant mode. Until Samsung releases a software update, the temporary solution involves turning off adaptive brightness, maxing out brightness manually, and activating vivid mode. Additional reported issues. Now let's shift our focus to other reported issues with the S24 series. Users have encountered problems such as darker videos from recording with the selfie camera, dark photos taken with popular apps like Instagram and Snapchat, and blurry video quality during calls on platforms like WhatsApp or Facebook. Some users also report heating issues and wireless charging problems. Wired headphone users are facing frequent disconnections for the USB-C port, while others mention unexpected crashes of the One UI software. Some are missing features like the ability to change sounds for the S Pen when inserting or removing it. Additionally, there are complaints about the wireless connection for Android Auto not functioning correctly on the S24 Ultra. Engagement segment. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you experienced any issues with your new Galaxy S24 Ultra? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you caught our previous video, feel free to skip ahead. For our new viewers, let's dive into a comparison between the Exynos 2400 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Chipset comparison. Today, we're exploring the Exynos 2400 and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, pitting these two smartphone chips against each other. Nano Review recently conducted a comprehensive comparison evaluating key aspects like CPU performance, gaming prowess, battery efficiency, and overall chip scores. In terms of CPU performance, the Exynos 2400 takes the lead with 2497 points in single-core performance, while the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 lags behind with 98 points. Gaming performance favors the Exynos, scoring 2497 points compared to the Snapdragon's 100 points. However, the Snapdragon pulls ahead in battery efficiency with a score of 91 points compared to the Exynos 486 points. AnTuTu benchmarks reveal the Exynos scoring 1,648,000 points, while the Snapdragon achieved a slightly higher score of 1,648,000 points. In 3D the Exynos scores 2195 points, narrowly trailing the Snapdragon's 2181 points. Geekbench scores show the Exynos with a multi-core score of 6920 points and the Snapdragon with 7250 points. Breaking down the pros, the Exynos 2400 offers 2 additional cores and a 31% faster GPU frequency. On the flip side, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 outshines in AnTuTu benchmarks with a 26% better score. In conclusion, both the Samsung Exynos 2400 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 exhibit impressive capabilities. The Exynos 2400, with its advanced core configuration and faster GPU, caters to users emphasizing graphics processing. However, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 edges ahead in overall performance, particularly in CPU performance, gaming, and battery efficiency. The Exynos 2400 marks a significant leap forward in Samsung's chipset technology, showcasing enhanced performance and innovation. While the Snapdragon maintains a slight advantage in certain areas, the Exynos 2400 proves to be a formidable competitor in the current chipset market. That's a wrap for today's video. Now, I want to hear your thoughts on these chipsets and the reported issues with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Drop your comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you found it informative. Subscribe for more content, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game-changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 GB of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, fully wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.
stay.